Unleash the beat with the Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40, where sound meets adventure. Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40. We're excited to review the Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40, a portable speaker that's perfect for music lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Meet the Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40, a compact and powerful speaker that delivers high-quality sound and advanced features. With TWS technology, you can pair two speakers together for an immersive stereo sound experience. Perfect for parties, beaches, or parks. The speaker features a 24W stereo audio driver and dual passive radiators, delivering crystal clear sound with deep bass. This speaker is also IPX7 waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor use, and it features a long-lasting 24-hour battery life. You can enjoy your music without worrying about the weather or running out of power. The Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40 also features Bluetooth 5.0 technology, allowing for quick and stable connections to your device. You can easily switch between different audio sources, including Bluetooth, AUXIN, and TF card. This speaker is also incredibly portable, weighing just a few ounces, and features a sleek and compact design. It's perfect for taking on the go, whether you're heading to the beach, park, or just around the house. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed portable speaker, the Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40 is an excellent choice. With its impressive sound quality, durability, and convenience features, it's sure to elevate your music experience. So why wait? Get your Vanzon Bluetooth speaker V40 today and start enjoying your music in a whole new way. Thanks for watching today's best deals. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Don't forget to check out the links in our description below for more info and to purchase this product.